Introducing the ACR 122U NFC reader and writer from EcoTrack Systems. Fully compliant with ISO 18092 for NFC and ISO 14443A and B standards, it supports Mifare, Felica, and all four types of NFC tags. Operating at 13.56 MHz, it offers a read range of up to 50 millimeters with read and write speeds up to 424 kilobits per second. Lightweight at just 70 grams, it connects easily via USB and is powered by a regulated 5-volt supply. Equipped with a built-in antenna, anti-collision feature, dual-color LED, and optional buzzer, it ensures smooth and reliable operations. Compatible with Windows, Linux, Mac, and Android, it comes with free demo software for easy integration. Perfect for access control, e-payments, loyalty programs, transportation, e-government, healthcare, and banking. ACR 122U, the compact, versatile, and reliable NFC reader/writer from EcoTrack Systems.